Hey guys, we're on our next two letters, which are going to be M and N. Now, we're used to print M's with two little humps and print N's with one. But as you see today, we always need a kind of a connecting line when we're doing cursive since we don't pick our pen up. And so our M today is going to be here and go 1, 2, 3. So a cursive lowercase m actually has 1, 2, 3, whereas a lowercase n has 2. So 2 and then 3 in cursive, 1 in print, 2 in cursive. So when you're doing your m's today, trace 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And I didn't do a good job coming down that time. There we go. And you guys have done these in some other words already, so I think you'll do great on these today. Make sure you're staying below the midline since these are lowercase letters. And when you get down to the words, make sure that you are connecting your A from the front the way we talked about before and not picking your pen up. So many is M, A, N, Y. And you've got the N on this page. We're going to practice it a lot on the next page. Here's market. You've got M-A. There's an E in there that we've learned already as well. So 3 for the M, into the A on the front, around and down, R, K, E, T. K is a little tricky. We'll get to that later, but I really want you to pay attention to where you're connecting your E and then your M and your A. Mom, M-O-M. So you've got M with 3 humps, O, M with 3. In the word monkey, you've got an E to connect again and an M. On your next page, you're looking at N, so you'll see it has the 2 little humps like we talked about on the last page. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Do that here, trace and write, trace and write, trace, write, 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 write for both of those. And then you're going to try connecting it into some words. You've got N-E-A, near, N-E-A-R. This is a great word to practice the letters we've been doing. E, A, and then R we haven't learned, but if you can squeeze it on the end. N, E, A, R. N-E-A should look very nice since we've practiced those this week. N-E-A-R. Noon, N-O-O-N. Try it out. We haven't done O's, but they do go up like the A does. And then they go around and loop. Never has an N and then an E. So this is a great place to practice your connecting your E's into the word. And then neatly has an N-E-A, which are 3 letters we've done. So N, E, up to the front of the A and around, T, L, Y. Cross your T. N, E, the front of the A, back down and around, T, L, Y, and cross your T. All right, give it a try. You guys are getting better every day.